Hey, what's up guys? Today we have the Huawei Honor Mediapad T310 and let's unbox it and take a quick look at it. So let's roll the intro. Well, I know tablets are really dead nowadays, but still for some of those users who want those big screen or the big aspect ratio, these are the best. I know this Honor Mediapad T310 was launched last year at June, but this unboxing is in 2018. So don't worry guys, this video will be really exciting for you. So let's take a quick look at the box. The box says Honor Mediapad T310 and it has some quick specs around it, such as the ROM or the display or such things. And let's unbox this quickly and get through what's inside the box. So let's quickly unbox this thing and see what it's there. Oh, at first we'll get the tablet itself, and the tablet is covered with a cover and some other accessories. At first we will see the tablet itself, and regarding the tablet, my first impressions are those big bezels. So let's talk about that later and see what's there other than that. So we will get a portable charger with 5 volts, I guess. Then we get USB type B, I guess, the normal one, not the type C, because this was launched last year. And we'll quickly unbox this. Yes, we get the type C and some paperwork inside the box. So, and even we get some other stuffs regarding Huawei's paperwork or such things, and there's nothing much inside the box. Then even we get a SIM ejector tool, which is really useful and handy sometimes. So this is the tablet itself. So let's boot this up for now, and until this gets booted up, I'll give a quick configuration overview about this tablet. So finish booting up, and Honor devices comes with a skin known as EMUI. So let's go to the settings and look for the Android version, and yeah, it comes with 7.0 out of the box, which is really outdated, where Android P is nearly coming for Android devices. And regarding the storage, this Mediapad T310 comes with 32 GB, but the 12 GB is already taken and just 20 GB is left for us to use. So that's a matter of fact to be noticed for you guys. And regarding the UI, as of the Honor devices comes with EMUI skin and it's normal. So let's take a quick camera comparison. So the camera comes with a 5MP or a 8MP rear camera and a front facing camera. So the camera quality is not that good and we can't expect more from this tablet. Regarding the camera performance, it's okay-ish and a bit blurrish always. Well, as of now only I can say this much about this tablet. So that's it for this video. If you have liked the video, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel as always, and never miss out for any of the updates or future updates. Until then, this is SIEMEN signing out.